We are now at the ISOLDE experiment, and we have here a researcher. Please introduce yourself, and can you tell us something about this ISOLDE experiment for a general public, please?
Yeah, sure. Hi, so my name's Frank Brown. I'm a CERN Senior Fellow. I work at the ISOLDE collaboration within CERN, so this is it's a radioactive ion beam facility. So we look at unstable nuclei, those which don't exist in nature. And through a series of different experiments, experimental setups, we probe different properties of the atomic nucleus, such as what shape it has, and other things which are perhaps not so obvious, such as why they have certain properties that they do. And we do this at several different beam energies. In particular, I work on the high energy side of ISOLDE for the mini-ball collaboration, which has now recently been installed with a new type of spectrometer called SPEDE, which is partially led by the Finnish Institute of University of Jyväskylä. And this was successful last year, and this year we're going to push ahead with more experiments using this device, which opens up a lot of new avenues of nuclear spectroscopy for us.
Okay. Thank you. And there's another guy here, and this is perhaps the connection to our institute, Helsinki Institute of Physics. I've understood you're a hip summer student here, and Frank is here helping with you, and you have been here, I understood, 1 week. 1 week. So if you would like to give some experiences after 1 week, people would like to hear that.
So maybe it would first be appropriate to actually tell what am I doing here. So what I'm doing here is that I'm creating or helping to create a Giant 4 simulation of mini-ball and SPEDE and its related detectors, and these sort of simulations can be used, for example, to see the feasibility of future experiments. So far, my own experiences here have been rather good. I've gotten a lot of support, and what I've now so far been doing is that I've gotten familiarity with the simulation packages such as NP-Tool and Giant 4, and also read some papers and introduced myself to the actual detectors that I'm supposed to be simulating. In the end, I'm also possibly helping with the daily operations of the mini-ball experiment.
Okay, that's a mouthful of things you have to be doing here, and I understood that you have this is a 3-month trainee program which you are in. So there are lot of things to do. And it's related to SPEDE. It doesn't ring a bell to you, but it's SPEDE. These are sometimes nice, these abbreviations in Finnish. There was an actor and comic named SPEDE. You know that perhaps.
Also an inventor, right?
Yeah, he was inventor because in some sense it's related to CERN and these gadgets which we have
innovation.
Here. Yeah, innovation. Yes. Thank you for the interview, both of you, and have a nice summer and good results for you, Urho, and you will be. Hopefully, you will enjoy a nice summer and get a perfect experience with the nice help from Frank also here, that you don't have to do everything yourself. Hopefully. Okay. Thank you.